Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session from the previous lesson. If this is your first time here, I highly recommend watching the last video where we talked about the Wild West. Now it's time to test what you've learned. Was the Wild West a peaceful and safe place? No, it was often dangerous and full of conflict. Did the U.S. government offer free land to settlers? Yes, people could claim land if they moved west. Was being a cowboy a glamorous lifestyle? No, it was hard, dirty, and very challenging. Were all cowboys white Americans? No, many were black, Mexican, or Native American. Did Native Americans willingly give up their land? No, many were forced to leave and suffered greatly. Were all people in the Wild West criminals? No, most were regular people trying to survive. Is the Hollywood version of the Wild West 100% accurate? No, it only shows part of the story, often exaggerated. Did the Wild West include famous outlaws? Yes, outlaws like Jesse James and Billy the Kid were real. Was justice always served in courts during that time? No. People often took justice into their own hands. Was the Wild West full of opportunity and danger? Yes, it was both exciting and extremely difficult. Great job. Watch this video again to review, and don't forget to subscribe so you stay updated with the next lessons in our amazing series about English and American culture. See you soon in the next adventure.